Okay, here's the boys getting ready to go out in the blizzard. Day after Christmas. Big winter blizzard going on outside. Let's see if you can see this. It is. Whoa!
Right on cue.
Yes. White out. And they are going out in that. And that's good. Now let's go see. Pats just won big against the Bills. Woo!
And Jets lost.
And the Jets lost!
Yay.
Dad, that boot is too tight.
Which one?
This one.
This one?
And let's go see what's happening in this room. Nathan's stirring things up. Hi, Nate. Let's turn on the light so we can see what you're doing. And you can see what you're doing. I see. Hi. Stir it up. Stir up your pot. Stir it. Oh, it's like a drum. Good drumming. Good job. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Stir it. I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere.
Did you hear that, Mommy?
No, what did he say?
These pants are really cool because they look like a jacket.
Really?
Yeah.
They are cool. Are they long enough still?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So we don't have to buy another pair of snow pants this year.
I mean, the straps are right at the end.
Adjustable.
Dad, you put my glove on.
Yep. 1 sec. Get dressed too.
Turn on this light too. You guys are gonna have fun.
Oops.
What was that?
I don't know. Buttons?
There was another one.
Buttons.
For what?
Oh, you know, maybe from ice fishing? So I'd use a button to mark the depth, but...
Yeah, so you put some in your pocket just in case?
What does it mean?
You haven't worn those pants since ice fishing?
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
Okay,
No,
Cam,
no,
say hi to the camera.
I had to...
Hi.
Tell us what you're going to do when you go outside.
I'm gonna throw snowballs.
You are?
You're gonna get tackled is what you're gonna do.
Are you going to make a snow angel?
Yes.
Oh, I should have put this before I put boots on.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, bye. I know I'm following you. All right, I'm going to say bye.